Oh my gosh, it is cars in real life. This is awesome. That's so cool. Do you love it?
It's beautiful, yeah.
It's so cool. I'm gonna show you guys it.
Are you ready to go to Utah? Good morning, it's time to wake up. Good morning, it's time to wake up.
I'm having a sweet dream.
Wake up. Time to go to Utah. Wake up.
Go wake up, Hunter.
I already woke up, Hunter.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, guys. It's early.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Justin. It's my pleasure to welcome you tonight on Flight 1754, non-stop service to Houston. It'll take me a couple moments to get set up. In the meantime, please make yourself comfortable. I'll let you know when we're ready to board.
That's us. We're almost ready to board. So we're at the Jacksonville airport ready to head to Salt Lake City for our big adventure. It's early. I'm totally gonna call out Tim. Him, right there. Totally calling him out. So our friend was picking us up to take us to the airport today. And at 3:50, I asked him, I'm like, well, what time is he picking us up? Because we thought it was 4:30. And Tim's like, oh yeah, I think it's 4:30. Turns out it was 4 o'clock.
He was already there.
He was already here at our house, picking us up. So we literally had 5 minutes to get ready this morning. The kids totally rocked it.
I may have had to pee really fast.
Good to know. 3rd plane in a month. This one's super exciting though, right? Because Kelly gets to come and Daddy.
We all have the same seat, but I'm gonna sit next to you.
You want to sit next to me? All right.
And
I need a shoulder to sleep on. Welcome to Salt Lake City, Utah. Hunter, are you happy to be off the plane? Yeah. It's been a long day, huh? We're waiting at the sign for our Uber driver. Driver, I can't talk, I'm tired, man. To take us to our rental car. We're taking Uber to rental.
Oh, we're getting a rental car?
We are.
I'm excited.
How are we gonna get around without a car?
Is it gonna be a Lamborghini?
No.
Yeah, I'm out. Just kidding.
Actually, I don't know. It's not Little Blue, is it? Do we get Little Blue?
No, it's supposed to be a Volkswagen Jetta or similar.
Ah, all right. Tell everybody who Little Blue is.
Little Blue is a
Hawaiian car.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
It's a convertible that was blue that we rented in Hawaii.
Right. So it's a Ford. Was it a Ford Mustang?
Yep.
Convertible, and it's this color. So we named it Little Blue. We're at Hertz. Nope. Oh, that would be nice. No, we didn't get a convertible. Our car is over here. We have a silver car. We got to come up with names.
Luna. Or no,
We have Luna. We need a new silver
Star.
name. Ooh, star. I like that. Since we're out here, we're gonna see lots of stars.
Fall.
It is small.
How do we do that?
What do you want to call it?
Small.
Small?
Small.
We are in our little teeny tiny car. I say it's teeny tiny. It's a Nissan Sentra. It's not teeny tiny.
It's big. It's a lot of space.
It is. It's like very open. I feel like your hands are like right there. Usually you're like way back there, but you're like right there. All right, what are we gonna name the car?
I was going to go.
Smog.
Yeah.
Smog. We really want to go with Smog.
Yeah.
We're out in Utah.
No.
It should be like stars.
No. No.
Stars in Mountain or
Smog.
Twinkling Lights.
No, smog.
Alright, the car's name is Smog. Seriously? Smog. There's no smog out here in Salt Lake City. There's no smog in Utah. Maybe if you were going to like California or New York.
It just looks, whatever I see, I name it whatever it looks like.
Alright, so our car is called Smog. Are you ready? Smog.
Oh my gosh, it is cars in real life. This is awesome. That's so cool. Do you love it?
It's beautiful. Yeah.
It's so cool. I'm gonna show you guys it. So beautiful.
Wow, look at this.
I may
This
have
is
a new favorite
amazing.
national park. Look at this.
This is
I
beautiful.
wish we bought a biking here.
Stopping to get a picture and somebody's climbing out. Climbing out of the window. To get that perfect shot. Come on, I thought you guys would be all excited about staying in another teepee.
Last time we slept in a teepee, it was not fun.
$25, $26, $27. Here's our room, and look at our view.
I was expecting this to be very
Classic Disney-ish.
Wow.
It's a classic Disney-ish.
Did you say classic Disney? I like it. It's cute.
Oh yeah, it's awesome.
And look at all the little Western touches. Kelly, you gotta check every single drawer. Is that what's happening here? What are you looking for? Treasure?
Maybe.
This is cute. What do you think?
awesome.
Are you happy after a super long plane ride to be in a room?
Yes.
And here's the best thing, we can jump on the beds.
All right, shall we clean up and go exploring?
Yeah.
I know the llamas are nearby.
Hunter go
The llama corral.
With the llamas.
Yep, tomorrow we're going on a llama hike. The kids were so excited. They're like, let's go look around. So we're kind of wandering around the resort. We're gonna go check out the llamas and the horses. But I think Daddy found something.
It's what?
What is it?
This is milkweed.
Oh.
That's why they call it milkweed. Look.
Is that milk?
No. Looks like milk.
Oh, so that's called
What is
milkweed?
it?
This is called milkweed.
What is it actually though?
I don't know. It's really sticky though.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Does it hurt? Like when you...
Does it smell funny?
It's kind of spiky. It's not that bad.
Can I try something?
Don't butterflies eat it?
Oh, do they? Well, there's what it looks like right there.
Can I
Cool.
take another one?
Llama adventures.
I want to see
Hiking
where the hiking
trails.
trails is.
So excited.
I want to go to the
I'm gonna be
hiking
one
trails.
with the llamas.
Are you gonna be one with the llamas tomorrow?
I want to be one with the llamas.
Just watch out, these bits.
That means you'll have to spit too.
No, just kidding.
Look at the cool teepees. These are awesome.
I wish you could look inside.
I think these are a little nicer than the ones we stayed in Georgia.
You think so, huh?
I think they're a little bit nicer.
I have my doubts.
They're cool. And then look at the big fire pit in the middle.
A little better sealed at the bottom.
They do, so no rain falling in. If you guys missed that video, check out the card at the top of the video, and we'll link to that so you can check out our crazy night in the teepee. It truly was a little insane, huh?